Hi everyone! Imagine a person who is naturally good with people, have a million of ideas and is always up for trying something new. Welcome back to Connect Within TV. Let's talk about ENFPs. They are also known for their vibrant personalities, imaginative minds and compassionate hearts. ENFPs are renowned for their outstanding problem-solving abilities. They uniquely balance their imaginative spirit and visionary approach to tackle challenges with original ideas and a touch of brilliance. Their minds are a hub of creativity, producing many fresh ideas, making them extremely valuable in creating new concepts and planning for the future. But what really sets them apart is their charisma, passion, and a natural ability to inspire others. They value and respect people's unique views, which helps them form lasting bonds and create a feeling of belongingness. They can adjust their communication style to resonate with diverse audience just to make sure what they want to say is heard and understood. ENFPs hate repetitive and boring activities and they flourish on excitement, twist, and adventure. They crave freedom and flexibility to pursue energizing opportunities. They have a natural thirst for new ideas, experiences, and connections, but their attention span can be shorter than a goldfish's memory. They can rapidly shift between different contexts, adapting their thinking to accommodate new information or perspectives. ENFPs often think in terms of systems, frameworks, and overarching principles, which enables them to see the bigger picture. They live by a simple philosophy. Why not? They are always up for trying new things, taking risks, and pushing the boundaries. It is like they are constantly asking themselves, what's the worst that could happen? And then going out and doing it anyway. ENFPs can quickly scan their environment to identify what's interesting and relevant. They are like intellectual bees, flitting from flower to flower, gathering nectar and pollen and spreading pollen as they go. Their pollen is their ideas, but they rarely delve too deeply to get into the details. They can effortlessly sense the emotional tone and dynamics of a social situation, which allows them to adjust their approach accordingly. They are skilled at using their humor and they can easily turn potentially awkward situations into opportunities for connection and laughter. They are the life of the parties. Literally, they will talk to anyone, anywhere, anytime. They are like social butterflies on Red Bull. ENFPs have a million thoughts racing through their mind at any given moment, and when they find something they are passionate about, they go all in. They will spend hours, days, even weeks obsessing over it. It is like they are possessed by the spirit of enthusiasm. They are the ultimate decision dodgers. They overthink, overanalyze, and get lost in a sea of what ifs and buts. And just when you think they have made up their minds, bam, another idea pops up and they are off on a new adventure. They are like the Thomas Edison of the modern age, except instead of inventing a light bulb, they are inventing new ways to have fun, make money, and change the world. ENFPs are known for their spontaneous and adaptable nature and they can juggle multiple projects at the same time, but they often struggle with mundane tasks and may put them off until the last minute. They often struggle with organization and time management, leading to lost documents, forgotten appointments, and missed deadlines. They are easily distracted by new ideas, people, or environments which can make it difficult to focus. They may struggle with making decisions, especially if it involves choosing between two or more appealing options. They often feel restless and may have a hard time settling down or staying in one place for too long. ENFPs are natural performers and they thrive in the spotlight. Their creativity and imagination makes them well suited for careers in visual arts. They can shine in careers that spark creativity and align with their values. They excel in roles like art, teaching, marketing, and social impact, where they can use their strengths in expression, communication, and empathy to make a difference. In order to grow fully, they should set boundaries, practice self-discipline, and nurture their creativity. So there you have it. ENFPs with all their innovative spark. Did that resonate with you? Did this information help you understand yourself or someone else better? Share your story in the comments below or share it with someone who needs to hear this. Your story can change lives. Subscribe to Connect Within TV and start your journey towards a more self-aware, empowered, and mentally liberal you.